This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, open Google Classroom, select the class, and go straight to classwork to locate the assignment. Don't wander. Once you click the assignment title, read the teacher's instructions and the due date so you know expectations. Make sure you see any attached rubric or starter files. These explain how you'll be graded and what files may be required. Now that you know what's due and when, you're ready to prepare your actual submission. Next, prepare your work in the appropriate format. If it's a Google Doc, open or create it and give it a clear name that includes your name and assignment title. Once the file's ready, click Add or Attach in the assignment, choose Drive, Upload, or Link, and attach the correct version. Make sure the teacher can view or edit by checking sharing settings, set to anyone with link if instructed. After attaching, preview the file from Classroom to confirm the correct document is linked. Now finalize, review the attached files and any comments or rubric items so nothing is missing. When you're sure everything is correct, click Turn in and confirm. Classroom will show a status change so you know it worked. If you realize a mistake, use Unsubmit to retrieve and correct your file, reattach the updated version, then turn in again before the deadline. If the turn in button fails, refresh, check internet, or restart the browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.